Hello friends, thanks for cooking with the Delks today, where our recipes are delicious, simple, and affordable in the kitchen and on the griddle. For this evening's menu, we will be whipping up a chicken spinach Alfredo bake. First, we will start with making the Alfredo sauce. We are going to set our burner to medium-high heat and add 1 stick of butter. Then add 1 cut up block of cream cheese. Next, we add 1½ teaspoons of garlic powder. One cup of heavy whipping cream. Then 1 cup of chicken broth. Bring all of this to a slow boil, then reduce your heat down to medium-low. Next, we will add 8 ounces of shredded Parmesan cheese. Add salt and pepper to taste. While continuing to stir, let this simmer for about 5 minutes. Then take off heat and set aside. Now we will grease our casserole dish and layer the rest of our ingredients. We start with 3 to 4 cups of cooked diced chicken. Then we add a bag of fresh spinach. Try to pack the dish really well, as your spinach will cook down while baking. I like my mushrooms in smaller pieces, so it is optional if you want to chop yours up. After cutting, I layered them on top of the spinach. Next, I top it all with the Alfredo sauce. It doesn't look like it all fits, but I use my spoon to help it settle between the spinach. Now we will stick this in the oven on 375 to bake for 20 minutes. After baking, pull the casserole out and add 8 ounces of mozzarella cheese. This truly smells divine. Then continue baking for an additional 20 to 25 minutes. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Ring the notification bell to be alerted about our fun and delicious recipes.